So we are going to start with the last part of our syllabus, that is capital budgeting. Okay. So let me first introduce you to what is capital budgeting. Okay. So I'm writing it here. Just a minute. First, try and understand the meaning. So capital budgeting is decisions with respect to or regarding investments of capital in long-term assets. Okay. So important highlights of the definition or the meaning is, first is this, decision. Second highlight is investments. Third highlight is capital. And the fourth highlight is long-term assets. Okay. So ये meaning इतना simple दिख रहा है, but every aspect every aspect of the meaning is broken up with different sub meanings to it. Okay. जैसे decision. First is decision. Okay. So what decision? Which decision I am talking about? That is important. किस बात का decision? Second चीज हम दिमाग में आती है investments. किसका investments? काहे का investments? Okay. Next, capital. Which capital? What capital? And then long-term assets. Okay. Yeah. So just remember one thing. When we do financial management or when we do management accounting, okay, so management accounting is actually a branch of financial management. Okay, if I ask you what are the different branches of accounts, the different branches of accounts is first financial accounting, then it is cost accounting, then management accounting, which is now revised and said as financial management. Okay, and one is tax भी एक group है types of accounts में. Okay, तो अगर मैं बात करूँ, if I speak about financial management as a subject, because financial management subject में capital budgeting is a topic, is a chapter to it. Okay, yeah. So under financial management, there are, financial management enables you to take three types of decisions. Enables three types of decision. Three types of decisions. First, investment decisions. Yeah, investing decisions भी बोलते हैं इसको. First is decisions related to investing या investment. Second, finance related decisions. And third, dividend. Okay, so ये लग इतना easy रहा है, but these all three things are very core and very important under financial management. Okay, so ये जो capital budgeting है, it is a part of this. Financial management enables three decisions: investment, finance, and dividend related decisions. So capital budgeting is decisions related to investments. Is this clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Yeah. What does the meaning say of capital budgeting? Ka meaning kya hai? Decisions regarding investments of capital in long-term assets. And what did I tell you? I told you in this definition or in this meaning, there are four important highlights. First, decision. Second highlight is investments. Third highlight is capital. And the last highlight is long-term assets. So I am talking about the first highlight, that is decision. So which decision? Capital budgeting is which type of decision? Capital budgeting is a investment type of decision. Okay, clear? Yeah. Kishmat, FM is financial management. The other name for management accounting is financial management. Okay, so financial management is a subject. It is a branch of accounting. How you study FA, financial accounting, how you study cost accounting. I mean, you have it in the next year. Yeah, you have taxation. That is also a branch of account which you will study next year. So like that, management accounting, which is now retermed, I mean, renamed as financial management. Okay, so ये subject का motto है. It enables this financial management subject is studied so that these three very important core decisions of the business can be taken: investments, finance and dividend. And just imagine, investment उसका एक decision, एक process है decision का, और उस पे base there are 10 chapters. Capital budgeting is one of them. Okay, Kishmat, clear? Fine. Now come to the next one. I'm talking about investments. Now, which investments I'm talking about? Which investments I'm talking about? What is investments? What do you mean by investments? Yeah, what do you mean by investments? Anyone? Capital budgeting is investment decision is a you can write as a investment decision branch of financial management. Rohan is saying putting up money right now to get more money back in the future, to be very simplistic. Okay, something get in return. Yeah, Pankaj, correct. Capital investments or long-term investments. Okay, fine. ठीक है, चलो, good. Yeah. So yeah, obviously. So when I'm talking about investments, investments means yeah, putting in capital. Okay, the activity of putting in money, of pouring in money in business is known as investments of capital. So ये दो आप साथ में पढ़ सकते हो. Okay, investments means investments of what? Investment of money or capital into the business. Okay, but into business तो डालोगे, but किस activity के लिए? For the purpose of long term activity. Long term asset purchase करना है, इसके लिए आप business में पैसा डाल रहे हो. Okay, so the decision with respect to that, पैसा डालूं नहीं डालूं, कितना डालूं, capital budgeting. Okay. And yeah, remember, long-term asset hona chahiye. It should not be a short-term asset. Yeah, it is capital budgeting is applicable only to investment decisions with respect to long-term assets. Okay, so investments of capital matlab money or capital, where to invest. Okay, और कहाँ invest करना चाहिए? Long-term assets में. Period of minimum 5 to 6 years. ऐसा. Okay, long term assets. Fixed assets is the best example. Okay, so now I'll put in first example with you. Okay, so say I ask you, your business has how much of money with you, right? Okay, how much of capital is there with you in your business? So you tell me, you give me an amount, say you give me an amount of 10 lakhs. This 10 lakhs which you have given me, I mean, you have quoted this amount. ये जो 10 lakhs है, इसको मैं कैपिटल बोलूंगी. ठीक है, मुझे पता है मेरे पास 10 लाख रुपए पड़े हैं, एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर स्पेयर में होना चाहिए. समझ में आया ना? इट शुड बी स्पेयर मनी. It should be not out of your working capital. No, okay, it should be spare money. Now the question arises, my first question arises is where to invest this money. मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आता है, इसको मैं कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करूँ. ठीक है, तो मेरे दिमाग में काफी ख्याल आते हैं. मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल आता है पहला, फर्स्ट डिसीजन जो मेरे दिमाग में आता है, टू बाय अ न्यू हाउस. I already have a house. I want to buy one new house. Okay, I want to invest in a house. 10 lakhs में कोई हाउस नहीं आएगा, बट ऐसे एक छोटा सी जगह आ जाएगी कहीं रिमोटेस्ट एरिया में. आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे इन द हाउस, आई जस्ट वांट टू बाय अ हाउस. और या तो मेरे दिमाग में आ सकता है to buy a new car. Okay, then I think, okay, 10 lakhs में house is a little bit difficult. Yeah, Pankaj, I can even invest in share markets, obviously, yes. Okay, right. So now I think new house, then I think नहीं, new house में पैसा डाल के मतलब नहीं, 10 लाख में कोई बढ़िया सा घर तो नहीं मिलेगा. मिलेगा भी तो कोई ऐसा रिमोटेस्ट साइड में मिलेगा, है ना? या ऐसा रिमोटेस्ट प्लेस, या कोई मैं लैंड ले सकती हूँ. आई कैन परचेज अ लैंड इन 10 lakhs somewhere in the remote areas, yeah, very remote areas, yeah, where I see prospect की आज ही खाली लैंड है. जैसे if you go to गुजरात में, कच्छ साइड में if you go ना, there are a lot of empty lands are there, and you get those lands for a very cheaper rate. I mean, if you have 10 lakhs, you can buy a land there, but only land, not a house. Okay, yeah. Then buy a new car. So, okay, I stick to buying a new car. Okay. So my decision is to buy a new car. Now, once I decide what I have to do with my capital, first I see how much capital is in spare with me. Okay. Then I decide what should I do with this money. Then I jot down, oh, I can buy I can buy either a property, or I can, a small property in somewhere in a remote area, or I can buy a new car for myself. Then I stick to, oh, let me buy a new car for myself. Okay. So my decisions depend, my investment decisions. I mean, my decision is now where to invest the capital or where to invest my money. Okay. So it's a car. So the next thing that will come in my mind is which car? Okay, which car? So I have an option, right? 10 lakh में तो अच्छी कार आ जाएगी. Okay, which car? So say if I prefer to go for a sedan or a hatchback. Okay. Now this is all what I had thought, 4 years back when I had purchased a car. तो मेरे भी दिमाग में यही चलता था. हाँ, I never thought of purchasing obviously a house. Yeah, already have one, so obviously ऐसा कभी दिमाग में नहीं आया. पहले दिमाग में यही आया 4 साल पहले, 5 साल पहले कि भाई कार ले लेते. तो वही सोचा कौन सी ले. My budget was also same, so I had the same example in mind. So then I also thought over whether to go for a sedan or whether to go for a hatchback. So sedan mein I had an option. I could have preferred Maruti. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बजट. दैट बजट, मेरे पास बजट होना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं मैं सोचूंगी मेरे को ऑडी खरीदनी है, मेरे को मर्सिडीज खरीदनी है, अरे बट उतने पैसे नहीं है ना मेरे पास, तो मैं वो ऑप्शन में रखूंगी भी नहीं. तो पहले आई विल डिसाइड कितना फंड्स है मेरे पास. ओके, दैट इज वाई डिसीजन टू इन्वेस्ट योर कैपिटल इनटू लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स. सो फर्स्ट यू शुड नो योर कैपिटल, then you should know your decision. Okay, yeah. So Maruti was the option, and Honda obviously, and hatchback में also there was option. Hyundai था, Hyundai cars, and again Maruti was there in hatchback also, hatchback cars. Right, so ये मेरे पास options थे. Okay, out of this I decided to obviously go for sedan, not preferable. I did not like it, so I went for a hatchback Maruti. Okay, so this decision of mine, right from buying a new car and seeing the different options, from sedan to hatchback, and then coming to a final decision that I have to buy a Maruti hatchback in the range of 10 lakhs. This whole process which I have gone through, yeah, is known as capital budgeting. Is this clear? Just acknowledged in the chat box. Okay, so this whole process is a capital budgeting decision process. Okay, इससे क्या होता है, ये जो भी मैंने डिसीजन लिया है, ऑब्वियसली ये बहुत सोच समझ के लेना पड़ता है. जैसे आप घर ले रहे हो, आप लैंड ले रहे हो, आप कार ले रहे हो. ओके, ये डिसीजंस बहुत सोच समझ के लेने पड़ते हैं. इवन इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन शेयर्स, लॉन्ग टर्म शेयर्स, यू नो, या you have to take these decisions very very diligently, because ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आज मैंने गाड़ी खरीद ली तो अगले वापस 2 साल के बाद मैं फिर से नई गाड़ी खरीदूंगी. नो, अगर मैंने गाड़ी खरीदी है तो आई नो मुझे इसको मिनिमम 6-7 साल तो मुझे इसको चलाना ही है. ऑब्वियसली 10 साल तक भी चलती है, वो बात अलग है, बट मिनिमम मुझे पता है मेरे को इसको 6-7 साल तो मेरे को इस गाड़ी को चलाना ही है. ओके, राइट. तो ये जो डिसीजंस है, इट कैन नॉट बी जस्ट टेकन लाइक दिस वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक. नो, यू हैव टू बी वेरी डिलिजेंट, वेरी स्मार्ट इनफ, इंटेलिजेंट इनफ कि हाँ मैं ये लेने वाला हूँ. फिर उसके आगे बहुत सी चीजें यू थिंक व्हेन यू डू कैपिटल बजटिंग, देयर आर मेनी फैक्टर्स एसोसिएटेड व्हेन यू डिसाइड. Obviously you always also see the benefits attached to the decision you're taking, correct? No? Yeah, so that we will talk later. I was just telling you about what is capital budgeting decision. So what is important in capital budgeting, that it's a long term decision. Long term decision. Okay, so since it's a long term decision, so it should be diligently taken. Next, it involves huge funds. Capital budgeting में हमेशा capital बहुत बड़ा, ये तो मैंने बहुत छोटा एग्जांपल दिया कैप में 10 lakhs वाला, वरना अगर आप कंपनीज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से टॉक करो तो उनका कैपिटल बजटिंग दे टॉक इन crores. Yeah, so it involves huge investment, huge funds, money, and once the decision taken, it is irreversible. Okay, so you have to think these 3 aspects when you're deciding on capital budgeting. एक तो लॉन्ग टर्म डिसीजन है, सबसे बड़ी बात. हाँ, तो इसलिए it should be taken very intelligently, and because a lot of funds are involved in it, that is why you should rethink on the decision taken, and it is irreversible. Once I have taken the car, after 6 months I see a new car in the market. Say I bought a Baleno, for Maruti Baleno, सो अगर 6 महीने के बाद मैंने मारुति मैंने RS देख ली थी, आफ्टर व्हेन आई बॉट इट, आफ्टर दैट आई सॉ, आफ्टर आई गेस 6 मंथ्स और 9 मंथ्स के बाद ही मारुति का RS रेंज भी निकल गया था, बलेनो RS करके। तो मैं जाके उनको बोल नहीं सकती हूँ, अरे मेरे को RS लेनी थी, आप मेरा वो फंड्स ये करके मुझे RS दे दो। आई मीन इट्स नॉट अ जोक, और नीदर शुड आई थिंक ऑफ बाइंग एन RS ऑल्सो, okay, that way. So this is just an example I'm giving. So in business also, once you are invested anywhere, you cannot reverse it back. So like once I bought a car, I cannot reverse that action, that funds cannot be reversed back to me. Okay. Yeah. Next. I'll give you one more, just a minute, students. Yeah. Okay. Now you all are into your graduations, right? Yeah. So like after 10, obviously you all are decided to do 12th, 10 plus 2. Then you all did your graduation, okay? And say during this tenure, in this, I'm just giving an example, during this tenure of 5 years after your 10th standard, say you were simultaneously doing some odd jobs, छोटा मोटा कहीं काम कर रहे थे, okay, as you know, छोटा मोटा whatever odd jobs till 5 years, and you could save say 5 lakhs rupees. तुम्हारे पास 5 लाख रुपए जमा हो गए 5 साल में by doing some odd jobs, okay, yeah. You started doing job and you could save 5 lakhs rupees. Now you can have decision to invest this money, okay. If you are good in studies, what will you think? Arey chalo, this 5 lakhs I can put up in becoming a CA, okay. But not with the intention that 1-2 साल करेंगे फिर छोड़ देंगे. कैपिटल बजटिंग डिसीजन ऐसे नहीं लिया जाता, ओके, कि हाँ चलो पैसा डाल के देखते, चला तो चला, नहीं चला तो नहीं चला. नो, द सच इज नॉट अ कैपिटल बजटिंग डिसीजन. सिमिलरली व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग 5 lakhs आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन फॉर योर CA, you know you have to give 100% dedication to become a CA, okay, or else you have another option in mind of doing MBA, okay. So ये जो डिग्री, once you become a CA or once you do your MBA from a very good institute, from a reputed institute, so don't you think this is your long-term asset? This is also an example of investments in long-term assets, okay, because the degree will belong to you, okay, yeah, you will be the owner, the holder of the degree, okay. So similarly, if you think from the point of view of business, ये तो 2 एग्जांपल्स, मैंने तो एक मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको एग्जांपल दिया, एक आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको एग्जांपल दिया, ओके. अब बिजनेस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी तो सेम एग्जांपल हो सकता है. तो फ्रॉम बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, कैपिटल, what is capital? Amount to be invested, amount to be invested is known as capital. लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स, बिजनेस के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स. अब कैपिटल के बारे में सोचो, बिजनेस के लिए कैपिटल का मीनिंग क्या होता है? अमाउंट टू बी इन्वेस्टेड, मनी टू बी इन्वेस्टेड. एंड बिजनेस के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स क्या होता है? बिजनेस के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स क्या होगा? अगर मेरे लिए कार है, मेरे लिए घर है, मेरे लिए ज्वेलरी लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स है, ओके, या. सो बिजनेस के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स क्या होगा? प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, ओके, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग्स. दिस विल बी एसेट्स फॉर द बिजनेस. इक्विपमेंट्स, ये बिजनेस के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स है, ओके, गॉट इट. सो गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. ओके चलो, say you are manufacturing a product, okay, in the first year, It's the first year of manufacturing the product. Okay. Say after 2 years, the demand for your product increases. Okay. Yeah. You are in the first year of your product right now. After 2 years, after 2 to 3 years, the demand for your product rises. That means the product is picking up. Okay. Yeah. You're getting good business. So product is picking up. अब क्या हो रहा है? तुम्हारे पास एक मशीन थी, machine one. Write it like this, plant and machine. You had one plant and machine. Now, since your demand has increased, so now you are deciding to purchase machine two. Okay, but to purchase machine two, you have to think कि भाई उतना डिमांड सफाइस हो पाएगा अगर मैं नया मशीन खरीद रहा हूँ तो वो डिमांड जो बढ़ रहा है आपका इट शुड सफाइस द डिसीजन व्हाट यू हैव टेकन. Okay, yeah. So your first question will be which machine to buy, from where to buy, okay, yeah, what will be the mechanism of the machine, yeah, production kitna degi and all that and all that. Okay, so this is from business point of view. So when क्योंकि देखो क्या होता है ना बच्चा, हर एसेट का एक लाइफ पीरियड होता है. हर एसेट का, अगर आज मैंने ये प्लांट एंड मशीनरी खरीदा है तो मुझे मालूम है मैं इसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा 10 साल चला सकती हूँ. इसका शेल्फ लाइफ कितना है? 10 years. मुझे पता है आप बोलोगे मैम हम खींच खाच के इसको और भी चला सकते हैं, 12-15 साल चला सकते हैं, आई नो दैट. बट 10 years के बाद क्या हो जाएगा ना बच्चा, मशीन का मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट बढ़ने लग जाएगा. ओके, या मशीन विल द मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट ऑफ द मशीन, मतलब मशीन खर्चा मांगने लगेगी. फिर ऐसा होगा कि छोटे छोटे स्पेयर पार्ट्स भी चेंज करने पड़ेंगे और वो महंगे पड़ते हैं. गाड़ी का भी सेम होता है. जब आप नई गाड़ी लेते हो तब वो बहुत अच्छी चलती है, बट आफ्टर minimum 4-5 years के बाद the car starts demanding investments inside the car. You have to replace something or the other of the parts of the car. You have to replace, I mean mandatory है, करना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना? या तो ये करने से अच्छा है मशीन, जब मशीन का मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट बढ़ने लग जाता है तो इससे तो अच्छा है, इस पे खर्चा करने से अच्छा है आप एक नया ही प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. ठीक है, वो तो आपको पता है. तो ये जो सब डिसीजन है ये आपको पहले से पता होता है कि चलो आज मैंने मशीन ली है, 10 साल के बाद मुझे एक नया मशीन लेना है, तो तभी कैपिटल बजटिंग डिसीजन एक आ जाएगा. करेक्ट. बट अभी फिलहाल आपके पास मशीन है और मशीन लेके आपको सिर्फ 5 years ही हुआ है, तो ऑब्वियसली आप ये मशीन बेच के नया मशीन नहीं लाओगे. दैट इज फर्स्ट पॉइंट. व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल ट्राई टू एक्वायर वन मोर मशीन. Okay, why? Because now you are expanding your business. So capital budgeting decisions are important when you are going for expansion of your existing business. Capital budgeting decisions are important when you are going for diversification of your business. You were manufacturing t-shirts since 20 years. You want to try your hand now in trousers also. So from टी-शर्ट, ऐसा नहीं टी-शर्ट बनाना छोड़ दोगे, टी-शर्ट भी बनाओगे और तुम ट्राउजर्स भी बनाओगे. तो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, योर प्रोडक्ट लाइन को आप डाइवर्सिफाई कर रहे हो. यू आर फेमस, योर गुडविल इज फॉर मेकिंग गुड टी-शर्ट्स, बट नाउ यू वांट टू ट्राई योर हैंड्स इनटू trousers also. So you are diversifying your business product line. So this is also due to capital budgeting. Capital budgeting helps you to decide that when there is a business expansion, so which type of machinery to be purchased, what amount of cost should be invested in that machine. When you're diversifying your business, how should you diversify your business, what project involves diversification, and so on. Okay, so next you should know कि capital budgeting decisions का impact business पे क्या होता है. Okay, हम ये चैप्टर तो सीख रहे हैं. हम ये चैप्टर क्यों सीख रहे हैं? क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इसका बिजनेस पे इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. तो क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है कैपिटल बजटिंग डिसीजंस का? ओके, पहला इम्पैक्ट तो है ऑब्वियसली इट इफेक्ट्स the growth and life of business, obviously. Okay, it affects the growth and life of your business. Okay, there is last 1 minute left. Fine. Okay, so I'll continue in the next lecture. We will talk about impacts on the business of capital budgeting and the classification of capital budgeting decisions on which sums are based. Okay.